Today is a quick video to show you just how easy it is to do a return with Stitch Fix. The first thing you'll want to do is let Stitch Fix know what items you're going to be returning. So just log into your account and let them know what items you want to return. Now let's package up our items for return. So in every shipment, I always get one of these return bags. You're going to take the bag and put your return label on it. I have always received a return label. It's like a sticker like this. You can just peel and stick. Peel and stick your label right on there. Next, you're going to take the items you're returning, put them in that return bag. Go ahead and peel it and seal it. Then you just want to put it in the mail. So you can put it in your mailbox, or you could bring it to a USPS near you. Do you need to pay for postage? No, you do not. Postage is prepaid on that label that they give you that you put on the package. It's really as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if you're considering using Stitch Fix, I've got a referral code in the description below. If you use that, you'll get $25 off. I'll get $25 off. We both win.